Yo, what's up, you guys? It's Bakari So Real back again with some So Real trading. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and click the link in the description to join our So Real trading group, our SRT trading group. All of this is for educational purposes only. It's not financial advice, and nothing I say is guaranteed. But we're gonna get started with talking about XRP USD. Today is day 28 of our 450-day trading plan, where we're going to be monitoring and trading cryptos and metals for the next 450 days. And right now, going straight into it, uh, this is a daily time frame, so each candlestick is daily time frame. And as you see, XRP has been trailing down in our red zone, and it has not broken past $1.50. But another crypto I'm going to be showing you guys is XLM. I do want to show XLM and how XLM has broke past uh, this zone right here and is now trading at 20 cents. So shout out to whoever's been holding or trading XLM. Make sure you guys are using proper risk management and trailing your stop loss. If you're in profits right now with XLM, I will move your stop loss up to about 17 cents to secure profits or at least secure break even. And that's for Stellar XLM. Going back to XRP, XRP has not did that. XRP is kind of moving differently, and choosing to just stay stagnant and just trail down. And we have our invalidation zone, which is at $1.15. And if XRP does break below our validation zone and has a closed candlestick, then that can signal bearish movement going down to retest the bottom here at 40, between 40 cents and 25 cents, retesting the bottom before we take off for all-time highs. Now, I'm not fully biased on either direction. I'm okay if we go up with XRP. I'm okay if we go down with XRP. All I'm looking for is for confirmation. So confirmation for bullish is if we break a past 150. Confirmation for bearish is if we break past 116. I mean, break below 116. Um, and really just going back to XLM, I'm really just surprised. But this happened before. XLM has moved on its own before. And I saw something like this coming yesterday when I noticed yesterday this daily candlestick for XLM was green. And then this one opened up at 3 o'clock. So really, it's only been about like 2 hours, barely 3 hours, and XLM has broke from 16 cents up 4 cents to 20 cents. And depending on what platform or what brokerage company you're using to trade, some of you could have easily turned a small lot size into a few $100s. Some of you could have turned a small lot size into a few dollars, you know. So, um, but I always say oatmeal is better than no meal. So if you guys have made profits off of XLM, good job. There's a lot of other cryptos that have moved up a little bit. But it's too many to just count. It's too many to just monitor, and and now's not the time to really spread your money thin. Now's the time to spread your money within depth, within whatever it is that you're currently holding. So whatever crypto assets you strongly believe in, it's now's the time to stack up on those crypto assets because it's imminent that a lot of cryptos are gonna explode. It's imminent that a lot of cryptos are gonna shake. So it's important that you want to just it like if you wanted to diversify your portfolio, you should have did that a year ago, or you should have did that 2 years ago. But now it's like, okay, you got to know which ones you really want to lock in with, and you got to just dig deep on those. Because if you spread yourself too thin, you'll just be making a little bit of dollars, to your investment. But if you spread yourself, if you go deep within whatever cryptos you're holding, you can come out largely on top. So I am going to be going deeper in with XLM with Stellar, because I have a brokerage company by goes by name Gates FX. Gates FX is a good one, and I have Genesis FX. Those are two good brokerage companies where as soon as we go to like $1.20, I'll be making some really good money with XLM. But XLM still has to break a resistance level right here of 52 cents. So I'm gonna be doing a dive technical analysis, just like how you see I have these zones, these buy and sell zones. Um, I'm gonna be adding this to XLM. So when you see me probably post the next video, I'll show you guys. But going back to XRP, man, um, XRP, if XRP was to move the same way that XLM just moved, XRP will probably be touching $1.40, $1.40, $1.45 right now if XRP was to move the same way. But for some reason, XRP is not moving the same way. Um, and we can't get emotional about it. We just got to stay consistent and just trade it day by day. You know what I'm saying? But obviously, I'm bullish. I'm just as bullish as anybody else. And even for the short term, like you guys see here, I have my bullish trading. I have my bullish target here uh, at $2. Well, we could go to $2 right now, but like I said, the longer we take, the less likely it happen. But also, this is May 28th, so we're just about done with this month. Next week will be the beginning of a new month, and as you guys see on the monthly time frame, take all this off. You see on the monthly time frame, we got three candlesticks. So for the last 3 months, XRP has been trading at the same price. Let's go to XLM and see what's been happening for the last 3 months. If we go to the monthly time frame, boom. So for the monthly time frame, instead of it being 3 months trading at the same price, there's this month right here in May, XLM is looking bullish. Looking like it's doing something, right? Um, versus XRP right here, been bearish, still bearish, no green sign. Um, so that's interesting. That's very interesting. But we're not gonna let it fool us because XLM could easily come back down for the month of June, or it could continue up. We'll see. Uh, I wouldn't be surprised if XLM does break all-time highs before resetting, but we know that there's going to be a reset. Um, I mean, nothing's guaranteed, but we know more than likely a reset should happen based off economics and the economy and everything like that. We know more than likely we should bottom out, but nothing is guaranteed. Everything I say is just for educational purposes only. But yeah, if we, I think I would say that XRP does have a stronger resistance, trying to break above $3.69 versus XLM just going about all XLM has to do is go another 25 cents and it could be breaking all-time high of $60 or go 30 cents and it could be, breaking up. But um, we'll see. So like I said, I think XLM is like silver and gold. XRP is like gold, you know what I mean? So but yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comment section, because I don't want to say too much for myself. I kind of just want to let the markets do its thing and just follow the trend and things like that. You know what I mean? Um, but yeah, you guys can watch my previous video. I think I have a video talking about XLM, how you could turn $1,000 into like $20,000 with XLM. Same with XRP, turn $1,000 into like $20,000 with XRP as well. You know what I mean? So you guys can do that. Go check out those videos, and I'm gonna post more of those type of videos as well. So you guys gonna see like a kind of mixture of content and me talking about the daily work, the daily time frames, our 450-day plan, and then you'll see me talking about just the results that you can have, the potential that you can have, right? Because we could talk about all the potential in the world, but it's all about what happens. It's all about what the markets do, and that's something we can't really control, right? You can't really control everything in the market, so really it's just all about just reacting, right? So we want to see what hand does XRP throw, and then we want to throw our hand. You know what I mean? And that's just how it works. So right now we're trading at 130. We're in the middle of these two zones, and you just gotta stay patient, man. Sit on your hands, stay patient. This is an important time for you guys to just be hustling, man. Just hustle, keep stacking your money, man. And yeah, man. And I just want to say shout out to the people that's watching right now. I know I'm getting just a little bit of viewers, but hey, even if just one person watches, I know that means a lot. So shout outs to you guys. And I promise you, this is a channel that you want to continue to come check on. Come check on me, man. You know, if you don't see me posting or something, which I should, because you know we're on a 450-day plan, so I should be posting for the next 450 days. But if I'm going like a day or two or something, come check on me, man. Drop a comment, let me know, and all of that, man, because that means a lot, man. We're in this together, and that's what matters, man. Um, yeah, man. So hopefully we get some action tomorrow for XRP, and we come back up here to and touch 150, or even if we come back down, that'll just be confirmation of bearish movement too, you know. So I'm just excited, man. I'm ready for XRP to show its hand and things like that, man. So yeah, that's it for this video. Wish you guys nothing but much love, much success, much abundance, much peace, much prosperity, much joy, all that, man. Hope you guys have a good one. Talk to you later. Peace.